very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is neurons are not just cells, they are the architects of human potential. Ladies and gentlemen, the essence of human existence, from the capacity to think and feel to the ability to act and adapt, is built upon the extraordinary foundation of neurons. These super specialized cells, numbering over 100 billion in the human brain, are the architects of human potential. They form intricate circuits, pathways, and connections that define identity and enable growth, learning, and innovation. Understanding and maintaining the health of these vital cells is essential as neurons bridge the gap between the brain and the body, driving progress and fulfillment. Neurons are marvels of biology, capable of performing tasks unparalleled by any other cell type. They generate electrical impulses that communicate within the brain and throughout the body, crafting electrochemical messages and electromagnetic wave fields. These messages traverse neural pathways, facilitating memory storage, sensory integration, and the execution of commands that govern bodily functions. Remarkably, neurons operate with unmatched efficiency, requiring only 1/20th of a watt to fire their signals. This efficiency is foundational to the brain's role as the central command center, enabling a dynamic relationship between cognition, emotion, and physical action. The health and functionality of neurons, however, are not guaranteed. Damage from stress, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, or neurological diseases can compromise their performance, disrupting the delicate balance they maintain. When neurons falter, the consequences ripple through the nervous system, impairing the body's ability to function cohesively. A robust neural system, therefore, is not merely desirable but imperative for sustaining mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical coordination. The nervous system, anchored by the brain and extending through a vast network of nerves, acts as the bridge between the mind and body. It ensures seamless communication, with neurons facilitating interactions between the brain and organs, muscles, and sensory systems. This coordination relies on the support of various bodily systems like circulatory system, delivers oxygen-rich blood and removes waste, ensuring neuronal vitality. Respiratory system supplies oxygen necessary for energy metabolism within neurons. Digestive system provides essential nutrients to fuel neural activity. Endocrine system regulates neuronal processes through hormones. Immune system shields neurons from damage and infection. Muscular system executes commands transmitted via neural pathways. The synergy of these systems underscores the interdependence of brain and body, with neurons at the heart of this relationship. Advances in neuroscience reveal that neurons also exhibit neuroplasticity, the ability to adapt, reorganize, and form new connections throughout life. This characteristic highlights their pivotal role in learning, recovery, and adaptation. The way forward is interesting. Maintaining neural health requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and micronutrients supports neural integrity. Regular physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, enhancing oxygenation and neurogenesis. Mental stimulation through problem solving, learning, and creativity fosters neural resilience. Stress management achieved through mindfulness or relaxation techniques protects neurons from cortisol-induced damage. Adequate sleep ensures cellular repair and memory consolidation, while hydration prevents metabolic stress on neurons. Cutting-edge research provides additional tools. Neuroprotective therapies such as interventions targeting oxidative stress, inflammation, and amyloid plaque formation show promise in preventing neurodegeneration. Technologies like brain-computer interfaces and neurofeedback offer innovative avenues to enhance neural performance. Societal investment in neuroscience research, equitable healthcare access, and education about neurological well-being are essential to amplify these efforts. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, neurons are far more than mere cells. They are the architects of human potential, orchestrating a symphony of interactions between the brain and body. Their health shapes the ability to think, feel, and act, defining existence and enabling progress. Nurturing and protecting neurons ensures that the bridge between mind and body remains strong, allowing humanity to reach new heights of innovation, resilience, and growth. Prioritizing neuronal health is not just a scientific or medical imperative. It is a cornerstone of unlocking the boundless possibilities that define human potential. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.